What is up, Page Nation? It's your boy Panda. For today's video, quick unbox tayo ng Mario Deluxe from McDonald's. Medyo late na tayo sa hype pero might as well buksan na natin itong mga to. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Bali, first time ko mag-unbox ng mga ganitong klaseng Happy Meals from McDonald's. Kasi naalala ko way back when bata pa ako plastic lang talaga yung packaging ng mga toys ng Happy Meals. So, I can say improving ang mga collab toys ng McDonald's. Ayun, medyo madami yung Mario Kart collab nila. Pero enjoy naman yung mismong session ng unboxing. Kasi parang healing your inner child ang feeling. So, kasi dati napapagalitan tayo pag alam mo yun, gusto mong bilhin lahat or kolektahin lahat. Sayang lang wala tayong budget pambili nung Sonic collab nung last time. McDonald's baka naman. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want this kind of video. And see you on the next one.